Taking a quick video of my washer and dryer. Right now it's running a spin on the rinse cycle, I believe. Just wanted you to be able to hear it spinning. I'll come back when it's spinning at its top speed on the final spin. Everything about these works great, and I'll show you the dryer as soon as I get it cleaned off, and we'll move the clothes over to the dryer and show you that. But this set has worked absolutely great. No problems with it at all, and just want to do a video so that you can see that and hear them, see and hear that everything works good. So we'll come back for that final spin. All right, here we go, full load. It's about its top speed right here. Pretty heavy load too, I can show you once it's done. But it sounds great. Spins really fast. Those clothes come out pretty close to dry as far as being lightweight to go into the dryer, and it takes hardly any time at all to get them dry. Alright, so we'll let that finish up. Okay, so this guy is finished up. Just want to show you here. Nice and clean, huge capacity. We've had no problem running larger loads in this guy. We have a queen size, and we run all of our queen size stuff through with no issues. And then the dryer, excellent shape. Take that over here, just normal. I'll fire that up for you. As you can see it, it's got the chrome on it, the little window, it's kind of cool. Light works, and everything works on this perfectly. I got those clothes moved over, and even like this super heavy towel is really light after running through that washer, which is really cool because of how fast it spins out those clothes. You got the lint trap right here, so everything in that works great. We just put it on normal and hit go. As you can hear, sounds great. Runs nice smooth operation. Heats perfectly. This dryer's only, I think, 3 years old. Washer, I think, is 5 years old. So both of them, not very old. And this one sits up a little bit higher than the washer because of this little base it has on it right here, which can be removed if you wanted them to sit exactly even to each other. But my wife is kind of short, so for the purpose of reaching in here to get the clothes and then having this up a little higher, it kind of works out a little better for short people. So that's it though. Appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and now you know everything on them works perfectly. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.